Welcome to one of the South's most picturesque farms in Ellijay, Georgia. At the doorstep of the North Georgia mountains, this breathtaking property offers over 120 acres of pristine land, where the natural beauty of the countryside meets the amenities of luxury living. This is more than just land. It's a thriving, working cattle farm. The majority of the acreage is cleared pasture, perfectly suited for agriculture or livestock. Imagine the possibilities in this serene and productive setting. The property is equipped with a spacious barn and a versatile chicken shed, ideal for all your farming needs. A picturesque creek meanders through the landscape, adding a touch of natural beauty and tranquility. It's a perfect spot to relax and connect with nature. And while this property feels like a private retreat, you're just 10 minutes from the charm and history of downtown Ellijay. Enjoy the best of both worlds: rural tranquility with easy access to town.
At the heart of the estate are two beautifully maintained homes, each offering its own unique charm.
The main house spans approximately 2,800 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Step inside to discover a luxurious master suite on the main level, designed for comfort and privacy. The chef's kitchen opens up to a grand great room, where vaulted ceilings and a cozy fireplace create an inviting atmosphere. Entertain year-round on the expansive screened-in porch, complete with its own fireplace. And just beyond, a sparkling saltwater pool awaits, offering a perfect escape on warm Georgia days.
In addition to the main house, the property includes another residence offering 2,300 square feet. Both homes are meticulously maintained and offer comfortable, modern living spaces.
With its prime location and resources, this estate represents great opportunity. Whether you're envisioning it as a family compound, a commercial farm, or even subdividing it for development, the possibilities are endless. This is more than a property. It's a lifestyle. Come and experience the beauty, serenity, and opportunity that await you here.